My name is Phil Madrigal. I'm with CartRoc in Doral, Florida. We are a golf cart customization shop. We provide sales and service, and we are a platinum Trojan Lithium-Ion dealer. Our primary business is customization. We have a lot of customers that either buy new carts and bring them to us to completely trick them out, or they have carts that have been family heirlooms that they've had forever that was handed down to them and they want to revive them. That's the type of business that we do. I use Trojan because they're a very reliable company. We've had no issues with Trojan. Every set of batteries that we've put in have been issue-free. There's a reason why Trojan is the industry leader. It's a 10+ year life expectancy. It's a 8-year warranty, 6-year bumper to bumper, 2-year prorated. The lithium product has now come out, a maintenance-free battery that's giving you longer range, quicker charge times, enhancing the performance of the vehicle. I mean, it's game-changing. One of the things that we get a lot is the price. They ask, wow, that's a big jump from regular lead-acid batteries. And one of the things that we always try to express to them and explain to them is that, A, you're going from a battery that's coming with a 2-year warranty to a battery that's coming with an 8-year warranty. Faster charge time, but the biggest one is the maintenance-free. Golf carts that they're running, anywhere from 30 to 45 mile range, depending on the setups. I mean, that's huge. And we have customers that are just boasting about how they're not having to worry about charging and they're not having to go out and be concerned how far they went or where they were going. The weight differential, you're going from 700 pounds, 600 pounds of batteries to almost a third of that. I mean, huge change, huge differences. When you're buying a Trojan Lithium-Ion pack from us, you're backed by Trojan, the company, a company that's been around forever. It's an industry leader in the battery product for golf carts. If you have any issues, they're backing us and we're backing you. That's what we pride ourselves in, is doing quality work for the right price with the right products.